Won't you take me from memory lane? Won't you save me from this pain? Cicada God, won't you sing me my soul? Cicada God, won't you make me whole? Will you let me live my life? Will you let me grab the knife?
I will make everything better for the favor of your soul. You'll feel better from the move of your souls. Sing my songs and I'll right your wrongs.
I sing to the woods, listen to your cry, and I hear you sing back to me. I hope you feel better. I'll give you my sweater.
I don't need it. I'll see this on your soul to the highest bidder.
But God, I hope you feel better. I wish to help you. Cicada God, what's wrong with you? Cicada God, can I help you?
No, you can't.
Cicada God, why do you hold burdens?
I used to be human. Cursed with the voice of God. So they made me into this beast. I hate being this.
I understand, my lord. I feel the same way about myself.
But we can't fix it, can we?
No, we can't.